In this video we'll learn about the extend method. So extend method adds all the elements of iterable like list, tuple and string to the end of the list. So let me make a language variable and I'm going to store a list of French and English. So now we'll extend it with language, let's say language 2 equals, and here I am going to make the list of Spanish, and let's add one more, Portuguese. So here we will be extending to the language dot extend, and then we'll keep the parameter as our new list language 2. So let's print the language. So you will see the list 2 is been added to the language. So now we'll see different iterables. Language equals, first I am going to make a list French. Now let's make a tuple language underscore tuple equals, let's put here Spanish and English, and let's make a set also language underscore set equals, and let's make a set of Chinese and one more like Japanese. So first I'll extend the tuple language dot language, let's say extend, and then we'll extend the language underscore set. So let's print the language now. So you'll see the updated one. So now let's use the language dot extend language set, and now we'll use the language tuple. So let's print the language. So you can see the updated language. So you can use other ways also, like the plus operator. So by using the plus operator also you can make the addition of elements to the other list. So let's take a variable a, and I stored inside it 1 and 2. So in b I am going to store 3 and 4. So we'll just use a plus equals b, and let's print the a. So you can see 1 2 3 and 4. So similarly we can also use the slicing concept, slicing. So a and b will be same 1 comma 2, and here let's use b equals 3 and 4, and we'll just use here a, and let's put the length of a as the start, and we'll put equals b. So let's print the a value. So you can see it has been extended. So in the previous video we have seen the append method. So append method adds the entire list to the other list, but extend method extends the items, only the items. So let's see that by an example. Let's make a2 equals 1 comma 2. Let's make b as a tuple of 1, let's say 3 and 4. So now let's make the extend with b. So now when I print the value of a1, you will see the entire items of element b will be copied to a1. So let's make a2 dot append, and let's append the values of b. So if I print the value of a2 now, you will see the entire list is been, or sorry, the entire tuple is been added to the end of the list.